today trends in IT field. Today we'll check it out. How it's like here screen share. In screen share you can find career opportunities in information technology industry. So what shapes Bachelor of Engineering and the CMD, which this Microsoft Regional Director, like this is the profile of um, one of the one person in IT sector. Professional bodies like Software Process Improvement Network, reading and writing technical journals. And as I said, you should, if you want to be strong in technical aspects, so you have to read the journals, technical and business journals. It's very much important. Okay, so try to read. Okay, accordingly you want your career in IT field, so try to read the journals of technical journals and business journals, and write your you should have your own diary. So write some points, write the journals on one particular topic. It's good for you. Then 10 myths about IT careers in India. A degree in computer science means you are going to be rich immediately. Everyone in IT is a developer and talks only Java. Only engineers have a career in IT. Mathematically impaired people need not apply. Academic marks don't matter for getting IT jobs. You have got 3 professional certifications. You are ready to work. As already said, if you have professional certification means any company will recruit you in hand only. In a minute, he will recruit you. Everyone in IT works for IT companies, TCS, Infosys, and Wipro. Everyone in IT works for IT companies, TCS, Infosys, and Wipro. All core work in IT is done in United States. IT career is not for women. People skills don't matter in IT jobs. People skills don't matter in IT jobs. Top 4 IT industries mites. India is software superpower and China is hardware superpower. So very good advantage India has. It is a software superpower India. China has taken away the manufacturing cake. We can do nothing about it. No high tech product design happens in India. The productivity of Indian IT industry is low. Is an IT career right for you? Considerations: salary range, location or travel, constant learning, a changing workplace, stress. So you have to check, you have to consider these things, then you can judge yourself, it is it right for you or not. You have to consider salary range, location or travel, constant learning, a changing workplace, and stress. These are the factors you can find in IT sector. So if you are capable enough to accept these challenges, so you can choose the career in this IT sector. What realm of IT should you work in? Planning and development, technical services, support services, and more. So if accordingly you have to plan and develop. Planning and development most important thing, then technical services, support services. IT industry needs are beyond IT. Obvious: management, human resources, finance and accounting, advertisement or marketing or sales. These are the obvious things in IT, that is management, human resources, finance and accounting, advertisement or marketing or sales. Important but non obvious: legal, especially cyber law, design, visualizing, identifying needs, dreaming, creative, documented, creative. You should be creative, design, visualizing, documentation or writing, consultants, vertical specialized, banking, insurance, defense, aerodynamic, retail, etc. Ancillary services, food infrastructure, administration, etc. Then path to reach there: good education, sports and extracurricular activities, post schooling, polytechnic, graduation, arts and science graduation, engineering, post graduation, technical specialization, other specializations, finance, MBA, law, training institutes. You have to find the training institutes to prepare yourself, to train yourself. Okay, this is about the IT. Good education, extracurricular activities. Okay, so now everything is clear to you, how to grasp the opportunity in IT field. Okay, so you should be you have to prepare yourself accordingly. Trends also we have seen. What are the trends in IT sector? I have given yesterday assignment like app development, IT trends in what are the different trends in IT industry, app development, technology skill gap is becoming wider, IT team cloud support, data security, IoT. So this is about. So let us have a talk on cloud support. As you are doing AWS, how it is important in IT industry, this cloud support, how it's supporting cloud. Just have a discussion today on this. What is the importance of data security and cloud support? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. In last class, we were discussing about the different roles in IT industry,
Yeah.
wherein you have asked to do a small bit of research on cloud support.
Yeah.
Actually, ma'am, the course that we have been doing all these days
Mm-hmm.
uh, is helping us to understand, like it's making us ready for Amazon Web Services cloud practitioner.
Mm-hmm.
So uh, therein we are able to learn what are the various services, compute, manage, and storage services that we are getting from Amazon Services dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
L- like basically the Amazon Web Services comes with the futures of cloud computing. It's
Okay.
actually the web
Mm-hmm.
service wherein with a simple URL login we would be able to
Okay.
access all the computing services. Like in conventional environment, we used to have a servers, we used to have a physical whole lot of physical hardware, and it was becoming a tedious jobs for the companies with
Yes.
perspective
Mm-hmm.
to the financial also it was a big challenge for the companies to survive. So with
Yes.
this advent of Amazon Web Services and likewise the cloud based services, so it has opened a new era of virtualization,
Mm-hmm.
wherein
Yes.
you have to go with pay as you go, like
Yes. Yes.
how much service you are needed. But ma'am, it's very much important that you need to understand the console, the dashboard.
Yes.
Like
Yes. Yes.
there are a whole lot of hidden charges. It's not hidden charges actually. So once we are taking, like we have been practicing with a free tier account, ma'am, wherein we have
Mm-hmm.
to enter our
Yes.
debit card
Mm-hmm.
details, and we have also set up a billing
Mm-hmm.
alarm, wherein if we exceed our
Okay.
threshold value, it will give us an alarm like this
Mm-hmm.
service is not there. But even if you go in each of the service and if you select free tier only or for practice only, so it will give you what are options are available for it. So ma'am,
Okay.
I'm finding it really useful, like almost out of 7
Mhm.
assignments,
Okay.
I have alhamdulillah done 3
Could you
assignments
please
of that.
explain three-tier structure?
Yes, ma'am. Free tire.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Acha, what you said, ma'am? You
Three-tier.
free actually it's a free tire is an account, ma'am. It's a free tire account, free tier account that Amazon Web Services is providing in order to get ourselves familiar with the dashboard.
Okay.
So when they authenticate you, so they'll charge some 2 rupees from your debit
Mhm.
card, and they are saying eventually they'll give back you the money, like according to the that.
Mhm.
So I believe that people are getting scared because of that debit card that is being asked. But it's like, well, it's always there. Like sir has shown in the second or the third class itself that oh, you can always once you practice the lab, once you are there on hands on, we can stop the services. There are options wherein you can just like whatever like virtual machine or instance you created, whatever operating system you created, or whatever functions you have performed, you can always modify and reinstall them if we are actually feeling that
Mhm.
that can be a bill. But he was saying that, in order to do this, it will never take a charges. It will only
Mhm.
be chargeable when you are actually you're trying to transfer the data from Amazon Web Services console to some other platform, like whether you are doing an email, whether you are logging, or whether you are
Mhm.
doing a data transfer basically. So that is actually a
Okay.
chargeable. And when you try to download or upload a data from their
Mhm.
storage classes, upload or download, so that is wherein you will get a charges. And there are some very specific services that AWS is offering, and that is chargeable. When you click on that, ma'am, that time only they'll give a warning that this specific service of Amazon is chargeable at this point of rate. For example, 1 GB is chargeable at this amount. So it's always like, it's
Okay.
very much user friendly, but it's an ideal practice to make sure that whatever things we have. So for that, ma'am, in the first class itself, it's a best practice to set up an alarm. We have set up an alarm using a
Mhm.
threshold value. So with that alarm, if we are exceeding the threshold, we'll get a warning in our message as well as in our dashboard.
Mhm.
So you can always go to your
Okay.
billing and security billing section in your dashboard, and we can actually check. So this cloud support
Yeah.
associate, ma'am, it's actually the role wherein you
Mhm.
an individual will be knowing how effectively he can use the resources. Like, ma'am, this is pay
Yeah.
as you go service.
Mhm.
So first of all,
Yes.
like according to all these classes that are being taught till now, so it's according to your requirement, what are the resources that you can use, and from that resources also we have to select and we have to analyze like which resources is best possible for us. Like within that resources also there is a scale. There is a what you call, there is a slab based system.
Okay.
Just like our electricity bill, we have a slab based system.
Yes. Yes.
There is a slab based system. Yeah, yesterday we were discussing about Amazon Web Services S3 storage classes.
Okay.
So
Okay.
depending upon your storage levels,
Mhm.
there are various storage levels, and there are various storage buckets that Amazon Web Services is giving you. So
Mhm.
depending upon each of the storage you use, they
Mhm.
are actually charging. So for free tier, they are giving like minimum of like 16 GB roughly they are giving. So if you
Okay.
exceed beyond that, it's actually
Mhm.
chargeable for you. So like we have
Mhm.
also seen the web hosting, it has also got a platform like if we want to make a domain, if we want to make a website of our own, so we
Mhm.
have to go with this IP providers, these domain service providers. That is something called as ICANN,
Okay.
International Council of Addressing and Numbering, something. It
Okay.
is there,
Okay.
the full form of that.
Mhm.
So with that, like Amazon Web Services is also providing a service like this that's called as Amazon Route 53, wherein
Okay.
they are just like resellers of the domain. You can get the domain .com, .org, .edu, any of the domain you need, you can actually go with that. So it's actually, ma'am, alhamdulillah, but the labs are really taking time, ma'am. If you are trying
Yes.
to do one, actually, it's actually taking like, and the sir has also given the manual, and that manual has got a stepwise procedure. Go to this, click, and even it has got a screenshots as well. So it's
Okay.
it's like just you have to give the time, ma'am. If we give the time and if we practice, and I believe that we can do. So alhamdulillah, out of 7 assignments that sir gave, I could practice 3. Alhamdulillah, I was
Yes.
successful. I got like basically when we start up, will get some errors, ma'am, eventually. So that somewhere in the
Mhm.
steps we were doing wrong. So again, I started from the scratch beginning, and I could alhamdulillah do it. So really, ma'am, like it's very good if
Mhm. Yes.
people are really
Real
get
time,
interested.
like cloud.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Like ma'am,
Physically
like
not going. Physical
our
presence will
our
not be there.
basically our previous classes of this server and CCA day,
Yeah.
the sir was giving various real time examples also, and
Yes.
basically the class was very interactive in the sense like sir used to ask the questions just like your class, ma'am. It was very interactive class like CCNA as well as MCSC. So people used to like attend here. Since sir has got a very limited time, so exactly at on the specified time he starts the class and he says like in the last class we have discussed all these topics, and today the agenda for today is this, and then he quickly jump onto the topic. So it's like the people I believe that might be I'm wrong, but because of that people are finding it bit difficult, but he's always saying, see, when you are practicing, you are getting an any
Mhm.
error, you can uh, you take the screenshot and you can text me on WhatsApp. I'll so I
Mhm.
have basically texted him 2 3 times, and sir has given an answer. So it's like everybody has got a different procedure and methodology of teaching. So
Mhm.
but sir
Yes.
has got an immense knowledge, ma'am. Like it's an mashallah, he's an ocean. So really, this Amazon Web Services.
Mhm.
So this is
Yes.
all about this that we had in the course, ma'am, up to now.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice to hear from your side. Like cloud support means physically you're not going in the lab. You're using the web server you are using on cloud, and from your home only remotely you are accessing the web server
Yes,
and
ma'am.
creating your accounts, and you can do you can upload your projects
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
Okay, you are accessing the web server, the basic thing. Okay, individual, like so you should understand what is the use of that. Then you'll get interest and you will go, you will move on that. So others, what about others, Mr. Riaz Ahmad, Mr. Sheikh Hussain? You are listening
And
to me?
ma'am, just I'll just in 2 minutes I'll wind up. And
Okay.
just because of exploring all this cloud support yesterday, and I
Okay.
found, ma'am, there are various entry level roles where like
Yes, yes.
Hyderabad has got a dedicated Amazon development center.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
there are like lots of openings in this,
Yes, yes.
like cloud support associate, fresher cloud
Okay.
support associate, cloud support practitioner.
Yes.
So if we could really practice and if we could
Hmm.
really
This
like
is the
justify.
this
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
very good opportunity because it is
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
boon. Okay, starting.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
starting, and you should work on that. No,
Yes.
no one will
And
check you for the
and in
experience.
and we are very lucky to be in Hyderabad. Why? Because Hyderabad has got now a dedicated center of AW, this Amazon
Amazon,
developments. Yes,
Amazon.
ma'am.
Yes.
Like sir was saying that very shortly, even Hyderabad will be having a zone. Like they
Yes.
have got their data centers spread around the globe. So right now Hyderabad is a edge location. We have in India, we have only in Mumbai.
Mm-hmm.
So by 2021, most probably,
Mm-hmm.
like Hyderabad will also be having a region, a complete region
For
supporting
Amazon.
all the Southeast Asian countries.
Okay. Okay.
Now, right now, we have only in
Mm-hmm.
Mumbai.
Okay.
So in Hyderabad also, they are planning maximum by 2021. He was saying by
Oh.
2021 it will be fully operational.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like if we get into it, it's a best possible way we can get into Amazon. Like people are really
Yes.
they want to enter this fortune companies, these high profile companies. So this is, we can take a startup and hopefully we can get to the good position in that.
Yeah. Amazon, this Amazon company, it is in both in business and development side, both. Amazon. And like P5 editor also is there. You can edit the Amazon web page also. One shortcut key is there, so you can edit the web page of Amazon. and P5 editor is there. Using that you can create apps also, gaming apps. P5 editor, Java, that is using Java. So these are the trendy subject in IT sector. Jazakallah Usman, Mr. Usman, you have shared your experiences in AWS. Really, you're
Yes, ma'am.
enjoying
Yes, ma'am.
AWS.
Alhamdulillah.
So
Alhamdulillah.
it's very real and very practical, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Like ma'am, in all these 24 hours, really from 2 to 5, it's like on the schedule what I have made in a day, I could not follow. But only because of this 2 to 5 classes
Mhm.
that we have, I'm sticking to it, and I'm making sure that at least in this time I give my 100% and I try to concentrate. So the remaining practice part, sometimes it's like it's getting followed or it's getting missed, but this 2 to 5 time, I'm really alhamdulillah, I'm finding it very useful.
Yes, it's
At
we'll
least
get
it's,
the inspiration and we'll move on that inspiration. And we are getting inspiration and we are moving towards our goal. So it's very much required. Okay, in a gathering, in a team, if each other we inspire each other, we'll achieve the goal, inshallah. Mr. Riaz Ahmed, yes, you want to share about
Yes.
AWS experiences?
Yeah, ma'am, I have not practiced much for this AWS.
Oh no, you got any idea about that? So that you share it.
No, ma'am, I have not got idea about this, ma'am.
Okay, so you're not.
Like this. No, no, I'm attending, ma'am. I need to practice. Actually, this week, these 2 weeks, I have a lot of work, ma'am. So
Okay.
just I'm listening. After this week, I will practice that one.
No. After listening, conclusion you have come to some conclusion. No, so that you share.
Yes.
Like what you have understood about this. What actually is it?
No, ma'am. Actually, I am confused about this AWS.
Okay. Okay, fine. Like even AWS and Google Drive, and AWS is Amazon Web Services, and here
Yes.
cloud computing is different, and Azure also is there. That which
Yes.
company? Azure. That also it's providing web services.
yes ma'am,
Yeah. Yes.
it is Microsoft cloud based service, ma'am,
Microsoft,
sure.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Microsoft.
Likewise, we have a
Competition
Google
is
Cloud
there, but
platform.
demand is AWS because they are
Yes,
in
ma'am.
both field, business
AW,
and development.
yes, ma'am. AWS has got almost 65% market share in
Yes.
cloud. That remaining ones are of this Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud
Could you,
Google Cloud.
yeah, could you please what are the features of cloud? Features of
Yes, ma'am.
cloud. Please share
Yes,
the
ma'am.
features of cloud. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Futures of cloud, ma'am. Cloud is basically giving you a platform wherein you can virtually develop a physical infrastructure. All your physical infrastructure, wherein you need all the physical devices. Like,
Okay.
ma'am, we have physically installed a server, Microsoft Server 2012 R2 and Microsoft Server 2019, and we have installed a Linux operating system.
Mhm.
Likewise, we have installed a VPC, virtual private cloud.
Mhm.
So that gives us it's actually an open cloud platform, depending of that is assigned to a user, just like our Google Drive. We have
Okay.
our Google
Yes.
Drive or Dropbox or OneNote,
Mhm.
Microsoft Office Note. Just like that, we have got a VPC. This is virtual private cloud. Likewise, if we are this is basically an account of a individual user. So we can it has got a board called as IAM, Identity and Access Management, wherein you can assign the various users. You can to your Amazon account, you can assign various users and you can give them the role, like a database administrator, a software developer.
Mhm.
So it has got various tools in its dashboard. They can create an account and you can give them the privileges, the access, whatever. You can assign the security groups to them, and you can give all the various features. Then domain registry, as I have discussed, ma'am, just now, we can do a domain registry. Likewise, there are till now we have seen how to create a virtual machine that is called as instance. Likewise, how to create a VPC, virtual private cloud, how to install the domain. Just like we have a GoDaddy base, just like that. Amazon has a service called as Amazon Route 53. Likewise, in yesterday's class, we have seen about the storage classes. Just like we have got this cloud store, this storage platforms. We have got various storage platforms. Even in your Google Drive, if you see, it gives by default 15 GB of data. If you exceed that 15 GB limit, it will give you a warning. If your data has been exceeded, if you want more, you can purchase. So likewise, these are all some sort of things that we have seen. I think, ma'am, there is some problem with ma'am's internet. Let us wait back till she logins back again.
Yes, Assalamualaikum. Due to the network problem, it got
Yeah.
disconnected.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. These are all some sort of things that we have been seeing in all these days. So basically, like, in order to understand in one small short, it is like, ma'am, using your simply your web browser, your URL, you are able to create all the physical environment. You are able to create a physical environment and that all physical environment is created in the cloud. In a cloud means, for that cloud there'll be a physical hardware assigned to it. But for an end user, it is like, you are simply with the click of your URL. It's like, just like, ma'am, for example, you are sitting at a remote location and you have a home in Hyderabad, and you have got all the cameras installed in your home, and you know the IP address of your cameras. So you can simply click on that IP address of your cameras, and if you have an access, you can see what all things are going around in your home. Like, you are sitting somewhere at a remote location, but you are able to access. An example of that. Exactly in a similar way, we are anywhere around the globe. We just typing in entering our console board, we'll get all the office environment. So, like, especially for the remote based jobs, for work from home based jobs, and ma'am, it has got excellent security features also. Like, each and every time when you go with the physical hardware, as brother Riaz was saying, each and every time you have to go with the security patches, if you have to go with the security updates. Even Microsoft and all the other operating systems, they recommend that each year, whatever enterprise softwares are there, they need an upgrades, and that upgrades are mandatory to protect yourself from your corporate environment, from all this bad guys, to protect your all your digital assets. So in Microsoft Web Services, they have got a compliance, like a basic security requirement, wherein they continuously, whatever services you are using, they are continuously, there is a team that's making it up to date with the help of security features. So in that way, at least for the small enterprise and medium enterprise, it's like, you can, your data and your digital assets and all your profiles can be very much safe on AWS platform. And then even with that, a lot of companies, they go with the various firewalls and the various security products that are there, in order to make sure that they cannot rely on others. They have got all their endpoint security solutions on that, they're actually working. So they'll make sure that even though Amazon gives this much service, but they don't want to take a chance with their digital assets. So they have got their endpoint security as well. Yes, ma'am. This is all about yes, ma'am.
Cloud computing. Jazakallah sharing your views. Like cloud computing, yes, remotely you can do. So that's a new change. Okay, new in the technology, a new turn is there. Okay, cloud computing. So from wherever you are, you can remotely connect to your things, your project and everything. So what is cloud computing? is the technology which releases many cloud services such as database, networking, software, server storage, and analytics, etc. You can experience the technology through sending mail, playing a game, data storing, and so on. Few major performance of cloud computing in IT world: development of cloud apps, storage and backup or recover data, website hosting, audio video streaming, software delivering, data analyzing. So here we have in cloud computing, major performance of cloud computing in IT world. Basically, it is used for developing cloud apps. Cloud apps, that is, you can find in Play Store. Storage and backup or recover data, website hosting, audio or video streaming, software delivering, data analyzing. So here we have types of cloud computing. Hybrid means mixed of both private and public. Okay. So in computer, we have a private and public. In if you are creating a data also, you can create a data private or public. So starting from the C++ to cloud computing and Python, we have the data in private or public. If you want both, hybrid also. Then public cloud, hybrid cloud, private cloud. What is that? We'll check it out here. Public cloud delivers the computing resources like storage and servers over the network. With public cloud, the cloud provider manages all hardware and software. Microsoft Azure is an example of public cloud. Example of public cloud is Microsoft Azure. Then private cloud is a resourceful service for a particular business. All services for private cloud are only mentioned on private network. Then example of private cloud are IBM's Blue Cloud, Google Engine, etc. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is the combination of both private and public. It allows data and applications to move between public and private cloud. The service provides greater business performance and deployment choices. You can deploy the project, okay, business projects in hybrid. Services of cloud computing: IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Then PaaS means platform as a service. SaaS means software as a service. So services of cloud computing: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. So if you want to use an infrastructure service on cloud, you can go for IaaS. If you want a platform service, you can go for PaaS. If you want to have a service for your software, you can go for SaaS. Then what are the career opportunities in cloud computing? Gain industry recognized certification, master the concepts of cloud computing, then learn new technologies, get practical experience, get wise to cloud optimization. Then certification programs are Certified Cloud Professional, Microsoft Azure certification, AWS certification, IBM Certified Solution Advisor, Cloud Computing Architecture, IBM Certified Solution Architect, O Cloud Computing Infrastructure, Google Cloud Platform, VMware Certified Professional, VCM. Then top benefits of cloud computing: cost effective, speedy services, high global scale, productivity, huge performance. Really, it has huge performance. That is why you can opt for cloud computing. It's starting, it is boon, it's now started. They won't check it out for any experienced candidate. If you have certification on hand, they will recruit you. So it's very cost effective, speedy services, high global scale, productivity, huge performance. skill required: security, technical skill, data integration and analysis, business financial skills, project management skills. Okay, so this is about the cloud computing. It's very good and easily you can move towards this in this career of cloud computing. Anybody you want to talk on this? Give a thought for this and select the career in this.
Ma'am, these are all the points that we got in the first and the second class of this AWS.
Okay.
All these points that we have discussed in this,
Yeah.
we're there in this first and second class, along with all the certification and details.
Yes, I'm
Yes,
connecting.
ma'am.
Yeah, every time I want to connect with the subject because it is
Yes, ma'am.
communication. So you'll
Yes,
get the
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
opportunity to communicate the things, to understand
Yes,
once
ma'am.
again.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is
Yeah,
why I want to connect with the subject.
this class of today was actually the revision of first and second class of AWS. All
Okay,
these
okay,
topics that have been discussed with the first and second class,
okay,
a bit in detail, but to be very precise, this was all the things that were taught.
okay. So can I hear from others so that now you got the clear picture? Because reminders, okay, clear, you have to go through that in references. You have to go through that, then only you'll get a clear picture of that. That is why I have taken this topic today. We should do a constructive thing. What we are spending our time here, so we should get something from that. So anybody, please just have a talk on this skill required, like how you have planned for this services. Just give a your view on this public cloud, private and hybrid. Cloud computing and types of cloud computing. Just one by one, share your views on cloud computing and types of cloud computing. That's all. We'll wind up with this only. Okay. Yes, Mr. Sheikh Hussain, please share your view on this cloud computing. Yes, anybody, please.
Yes, ma'am. Like it's all about the practice, ma'am. As more practice you do, the more concepts you'll get. So Alhamdulillah, all our videos are also uploaded on our YouTube channel.
Yes,
We
yes.
read, we can always go back and we can always refer.
Yeah. Mhm.
So even if I request all, like including me, if
Mhm.
any of our brothers are finding it difficult or they are not finding the time for it, so you can keep that manual handy with you. You can save in your local drive and anywhere, and you have all the videos uploaded on our YouTube channel, wherein you can go back always. And ma'am, especially for English classes, ma'am, alhamdulillah, for three, four people, for freshers who are actually looking for their jobs, I have asked them, like, you, before you go to interview, there is a class of videos, like for English language communication. At
Yeah.
least go through 3, 4 videos
Mhm.
before your interview preparation, along with your whatever technical side you are looking for. so
Yeah.
as to make sure that there is a big gap between our way of interview preparation and actual industry requirement.
Yeah.
So it's actually there you'll get to know some very key points, and if you
Yes.
really concentrate on that, you'll get make that time, no problem. That spend 1 or 2 days not on social media but on watching that training program on Al Khair channel of English
Yeah.
language, wherein inshallah you'll find it very useful. So 2 3 people I referred by, they said that they have watched 2 3 videos, alhamdulillah. So it's like it's we always have a backup. So if not now, like we can have a plan to inshallah
Yeah.
practice back. I know that including me, everybody might be having their personal commitments also. They are
Yes.
busy with whole lot of works, so they are giving their time and they are coming. It's good, but it's always, ma'am, like whatever we are learning,
Yes.
we have learned all 45 50 subjects in engineering, but when you ask us anything, so we have to refer back again, I'd
Yes.
say.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it's just like that. If we are in a practice, if we are actually learning and teaching, that's the only way we can retain and remember, and we can become an expertise. So
Yeah.
it's always preferable that whatever we are learning, we practice.
Yes. It's very true. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. These all things that slide is going on. These
Yeah.
are some of the things has been discussed by IOPS and everything.
Hmm.
As a part of conventional infrastructure,
Yes.
conventional data center infrastructure. What were the problems
Hmm.
in the scenario? Why actually the virtualization came into picture, and
Okay.
what are the benefits? In the physical infrastructure, we were having a lot of difficulties, just like we have seen in the slide that you are actually
Yes. Yes.
looking.
Hmm.
Why cloud or virtualization, which what
Hmm.
to choose though? So that's what. Yes, ma'am.
Virtualization. What more to do in virtualization? Here we have resource management, thin and thick, proven, provisioning, DRS, virtual machines, cluster management, and resource pools. VM, virtual machine migrations, they can really fly, snapshots and fault tolerance, virtual network scenario, vCenter management, and VMware appliances, key virtualization players. Cloud, the next level, VMware, vCloud, Amazon Eucalyptus Cloud, OpenStack Cloud. These are the different clouds. So here virtualization is very much important. Means what is the use of virtualization? Why we go for virtualization?
The first and the primary reason to go for virtualization is to for cost effectiveness, ma'am, cost efficiency.
Mhm.
Virtualization is giving us the primary benefit of cost efficiency, and for in order to maintain a physical infrastructure, you need a manpower, you need a physical space, you
Mhm.
need a security of it, and anything can happen. Disaster recovery is a problem again.
Yes, yes, yes,
So there are a whole lot of issues for a physical environment in order to make it
yes.
secure and keep it.
Mm.
So for
Yes, yes.
all those problems can be actually encountered and can be
Yes,
wiped off if you actually go with this virtualization. So the
yeah,
cost effectiveness, your security, your hardware infrastructure, everything comes up in the virtual platform to you
yeah,
with all these cloud services.
yes, yes. Very good point. Cost effective. It's very. That is why most they are. That is why the cloud is in demand. Okay, so because of this virtualization, cost effective. So, and what else? Types of cloud. Any you want to discuss on these points? Like about the journals, Mr. Yaz Ahmed, I said you to like for read business journals and the technical journals.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So you have come across, you have started about the journals.
No, ma'am. I have started reading newspaper. As I said last week.
No, as
I
I
have
said,
started.
you are in like in business, you are in work, no job. So it's help
Yes.
you out if you read the journals of business and this one.
Okay. I will start, madam. This also.
Okay, so just read the journal and share what you have read. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, on Monday,
Yes.
just share it with us.
Okay, ma'am. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yes, ma'am. Inshallah, I will also go through any of the journal, ma'am.
Yes.
Inshallah,
Please
I will
go
also
through
share,
the
ma'am.
journals.
Yes, ma'am. At
Okay,
least
go
the small.
through the international journals. It's very good. Okay, it
Yes,
help
ma'am.
you out for understanding and everything. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
journals. Okay, we'll stop here. Then we'll continue.
Better to stop, ma'am, because 3:30
Okay.
I think we have AWS class.
Okay, sir. Okay. Inshallah, Monday we'll just read one journal of business and share the things in the group also, please, whatever you are doing, and we'll discuss in the class also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Inshallah, we'll do, ma'am. Inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh.